1 whole gallon of slime. So what will you need? So you need some school glue, and I got this Elmer school glue. And then you will need some shaving cream or shaving gel. And I got this pure by Gillette, and it has no sulfates, no parabens, no dyes. So I'll try to get it as non-toxic as possible. Over here we have borax. So we took 2 cups of water, put it in here. This is for the activator. And borax is just a natural cleaner that people use for their house, for their laundry, for their kitchen. And so I put 2 teaspoons in here and let it dissolve. And then you're going to need some food coloring. So here we have blue, but you can use any food coloring that you want. And then we have a container over here. So the first step is going to be, we're going to pour our glue in here. You girls want to help?
Yeah.
Let's go. Woo. Wait a minute, hold on. Let's move this over so our friends can see us a little bit. So they can see what we're doing, all right? So let's go right here and let's pour all the glue in here.
Yeah.
Woo! Look at this.
Wow.
Lots of glue. And you guys can get this at Michael's Arts and Crafts store with a coupon. And it's really not that expensive. Look at that.
It looks so white.
It looks so white. What's the next step?
Shaving cream.
Well, first we have to put some food coloring in it.
I'm gonna put it in.
All right. Let me just finish getting all the glue out, okay? Now we have some food coloring, okay? So Jade, I want you to put food coloring in here, and then the girls are gonna start mixing for you. So just put it all around so that they can see what we're doing, okay? All the food coloring is coming right in here.
I think that's enough.
Think that's enough? Go ahead, start mixing a little bit, see what it looks like. I'm gonna get the camera a little closer so that they can see what we're doing. Good job. Let me know if you want a little bit more food coloring, if that's a good color.
A little more.
Good job. This is coming out so nice. Do you want like a sky blue or dark blue?
Sky blue.
Ah, okay.
Sky blue. Sky blue. I still see
Keep
white.
mixing it. It looks like you girls got it to a good color. That's a very nice sky blue color. The next step that you're going to do is you're going to add some shaving gel. Now we're going to be putting our shaving gel in here. So look, we're going to go all the way around and we're going to mix it in, girls, okay? Mix it all in. All the way in, girls. Mix it all the way in. This is going to give it that fluffy, right? That fluffiness.
Hey.
All the way around, okay? We're almost done with it. Mix it all in, girls. Is it done? I think we're done now. Mix it all in, girls. Mix it all in.
It looks more like slime. Can I touch it?
No, not yet, okay? Just keep mixing it, and it's going to give it that fluffy look. It's looking great already, girls. Keep mixing it because the last step is going to be the activator, which is actually going to turn it into slime.
Where's the activator?
I'll show it to you in just a minute. Just keep mixing that all the way in, and then you'll see how it works. So now we're gonna add the last step. So all of the shaving gel is in here.
The last step?
Now the last step is the activator. So we have the borax, and we're gonna just swish it around. It's 2 cups of water and 2 teaspoons of borax.
Bubbles!
Now we're gonna be adding a little bit at a time. And you're gonna mix it in. This is gonna turn it into slime. And you're gonna see that it's gonna start getting that slime consistency.
You're right, I see it.
You see how it's starting to like get a different texture? It's gonna start turning into slime.
I don't want to
Soon enough, it's gonna turn into slime.
Get a slime bubble!
Oh, you did?
A little one.
You just gotta keep working it in there, okay?
I put the thing off and down.
All right, so let's show them what it's starting to look like. And it's looking so nice.
Look how it's
It's actually slime now. Like at first when you have it, it doesn't look like slime with the borax, but look, This is the way it's looking so far. Look how nice this is. Wait, let's turn it over so everybody can see it really well. Okay, we're gonna leave it in the bucket and we're gonna move over, Jay, so we can turn it and flip it over so our friends can see. Ready? And look at this.
Let's make a big
Whoa, look at this. It's so nice. Wow, guys. Now look, let me show you something. I'll show you a little trick. So once it's slime, you all get a piece of it and use it in your sensory bins. And also, we're going to
make a bubble.
You can make little bubbles. Watch, let me see if I can make a bubble. Let me see if I can do it. You stretch it out until it looks really skinny, and you flip it over. Look, it's great! Alright, ready? Oh, it's gonna escape. It's swimming. Alright, so look. Massage it, right?
Yeah.
And then, look what we do. We start stretching it out. And then, alright, ready?
So silky.
Let's see what it's
I wish it was real slime.
What do you guys think? This looks nice? And look, you can stretch it out. Oh, look at this, girls.
Wow.
This is so soothing. This is a great sensory bin for kids of all ages. All kids love slime. And we just showed you how easy it is to make. Ready?
Wow.
What do you girls like? What do you think about this?
I think it's very stretchy.
Oh, there's a big bubble right there! Oh, no. And all right, now look, girls. You can make a big one. Big bubble. Oh, there's a big one. Let it grow, let it grow. Look, let's move it around. Oh, it's gone. Girls, now we're gonna knead it a little bit. Alright girls, did you enjoy this activity?
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright everyone, the recipe for this slime will be in the description box of the video. Hope you all have enjoyed the video. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe and click on the notification bell. Say bye girls!
Bye.
Happy slime!
Bye.